Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to download all your photos you have shared on Instagram. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So, you've decided Instagram is not for you and you want to delete your account from here. However, before deleting, you want a copy of all your photos you have shared on Instagram. So let me show you how to do that. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the profile tab at the bottom right. Tap on the three lines at the top right. Now tap on settings. Then tap on security. Look down the list and find download data. Tap on it. As the screen says, this will get you a copy of what you have shared on Instagram. Type in your email address where you want the link to be sent. Then tap on request download. Then it'll ask you to enter your Instagram account password. Then press next. Then you'll see the screen where the download has been requested. Press done. Then within 48 hours, you'll receive an email with all your Instagram photos and stories. And there you go, that is how to download all the photos you have shared on Instagram. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.